Now this is interesting. Today, on the 21st of March 2025, we have Unikkotie Valmovägen 3 staircase E, and here actually the staircases A to D have the newer doorknob, so those are probably late 1990.
Yeah.
This is earlier in 1990, maybe summer of 1990. Where's these for perhaps? Or
No.
oh, still the same. The 66333. That's a funny serial number.
Yeah.
So 5 floors. Okay, so they were still wearing these in the autumn 1990.
Yeah.
Let's take the rest here. And wooden doors, which is a bit rare for this time.
Yeah.
But the cab could have been wooden as well.
Yeah.
I like this house and smell here too.
Same.
But those doorknobs were still some of the last ones used.
Yeah.
This is also here in Pukinmäki Volkswagen as sports was in Finland. Could the key be a spare part because
Yeah.
it's big
Yeah.
here.
Niissä pitää pakki väistyttää, me tein Kone.
I like the fan sounds.
Same.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go to the staircase here.
That's